Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again. What I'm going to do in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online on a site that's called 20 Cogs. You can make money easy. It's a great way to make some extra money on it. By following this very simple method, you are going to make good money on it. In this video, I'm going to give you an inside look. It's an easy and simple site to make money on it. Before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. I come out with videos daily where I will show you how to find a job online, how to make money online, how to start business online, how to make money online through apps. Now let's get right into the video. Let's see if this site worth your time or not, and if you can make $200 on it or not. I will show you around. I will just log in and tell you some more. This site, it works quite differently than many other sites. I have now logged into 220 books. Now you need to know exactly how it works. It's kind of important to understand how. On the front side, as you can see, by now competitions, offers, games, and survey, you can earn money. As you can see here, just like survey and competitions, offers, games. So when you use sites like this, you can fairly serve around. So you log in to see how it works on 20 books. You can see you have these like 20 books here. You here need to unlock all of them. You have like 3 to 4 offers, and each one of them have different offers for, and you can choose from. I get an offer to sign up for a free Amazon Prime, and you need always to be sure to actually read the terms and conditions. So I sign up for, and I get 30 trial free, and of course I will be charged after 30 days. So make sure to read the terms and conditions, and if I don't want that one, you can find some good offers here. I can sign up for product testing page. In this case, a new offer here, and you need here to confirm your email address and complete a question. This is how it works for each of these here. You will have 4 different offers and you could choose from. It's one of the office, so you need to sign up for a survey site, and you can start to take survey. You might say from what it says on the front page where you sign up for these things. It's more like office. All these here you can browse fairly and go through the different officer. It does have some quite good offers. It definitely still is worth looking into. So as you can see here, this site is actually quite simple concept. It's a kind of like interesting some good offers, and you can earn really good money from it. You can make money on this site. You can get paid. There is no certain paid hour threshold as many other sites that they have. It has some really good offers. You can actually get paid. You can actually get to the payout threshold after we finish these 20 tasks. It's around $200 for a single payout. That depends what office you decide to sign up for, which is of course quite a lot of money, and you usually get higher rewards. It takes a little bit of patience, so the site is definitely leisure service side, and you can make money on it and you can get paid, but you need to be patient. It takes a little bit of patience to get money or make money on it. I can definitely be worth checking out. I hope you enjoyed the video.